Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, you'll need the following tools: a Phillips No. 1 screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your components. Make sure you're working in a clean, static-free environment. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 and unplug it from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the 4 Phillips screws located at the corners. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use your plastic prying tool to lift the back cover off. Be cautious as there are clips holding it in place. Work your way around the edges and gently pop them loose. With the back cover removed, locate the LCD connector. You'll see a cable that connects the LCD panel to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by lifting the connector latch. If you notice any dust or debris, now is a good time to clean the internal components with compressed air. Next, unscrew the screws holding the LCD assembly in place. There are typically 4 screws that need to be removed. Keep track of these screws as well, they are crucial for reassembly. With the screws removed, gently lift the LCD assembly away from the device. Be sure to handle it carefully to avoid any damage. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws or clips. Now, it's time to replace the LCD cover. Align your new LCD cover in place, ensuring that all edges are aligned correctly. Before securing it with screws, reconnect the LCD cable to the motherboard, making sure it clicks into place firmly. If you're not comfortable performing this replacement yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about traveling or making calls. Let us handle the technicalities while you relax. After ensuring the LCD cable is secure, replace the 4 screws to hold the LCD assembly in place. Next, carefully position the back cover onto the device, ensuring that all clips are aligned. Press down gently around the edges to snap it back into place. Finally, reinsert the 4 screws you initially removed to secure the back cover. After everything is tightened, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 to test the new LCD cover. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the LCD cover. For those who prefer a more hands-off approach, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and no surprises in cost. With our service, you can enjoy hassle-free repairs without any inconvenience. This ends our step-by-step guide on replacing the LCD cover. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out for assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.